Okay, welcome to the DO Boxing Show. I'm your host, Damon Okposio, and welcome to another episode. Thanks for tuning in. This is episode number 99, and we're going to be talking about upcoming events. And there's a lot going on. If you're a boxing fan, there's a lot going on. So first off, it is March 30th, 2016. This is episode number 99. We're happy that we're approaching episode number 100 for our daily boxing show that you can subscribe to on YouTube by going to Damien Okposio. We've got lots of boxing events happening and coming up, currently what's happening is the Canadian Championships, the 2016 Canadian Championships that are taking place in Quebec at the Hilton, Quebec. And that's going from March 29th. So it started yesterday and it's going to go until April 2nd. A lot of talented fighters. If you're able to get down to Quebec City, the Hilton down there is hosting it, and I believe it's probably right in the Hilton Hotel. On April 8th, 9th, and 10th, there is going to be the Golden Gloves. This is going to be hosted by Sid Vanderpool from Kitchener. The Golden Gloves is going to be a really good tournament this year, and that is happening April 8th, 9th, and 10th. Through the Ontario Boxing Association. So if you want to see great boxing, again, that's going to be open to a lot of competitors. So you have two major tournaments, one this month, going into April, and in April, it's going to be a busy time for boxing. And then on May the 7th, you're going to get what I would call an ultimate event for the day. On May the 7th, 2016, from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m., you've got our annual boxing trade show. We've already got about, I think it's 13 vendors. We've got lots of room for many more vendors, but we're going to have Arthur Biarslanov, who qualified for the Olympics in Rio this year in August. You're going to get an opportunity to meet with him. One thing I love about the boxing trade show in the past, 2014, we brought in the coal miner's daughter, Christy Martin. Last year, 2015, we brought in Edwin Rodriguez. The only loss he's had was to Andre Ward. And this year, like the one thing about the trade show is that you have a lot of boxing personalities, boxing legends that come by. Last year, Fitz the Whip Vanderpool, former WBF world champion, former Canadian champion, was there in 2014. We had George Chuvalo, that was there. So the one thing I love about the boxing trade show is that everybody gets to meet everybody. Everybody gets to talk to everybody. You get your autographs. You can have conversations. You're going to be shoulder to shoulder with world champions, past, present, and it's only $5 in advance. So I'm very proud of the fact that we're able to bring that to the public and let the public get close to boxing. Sometimes in a lot of events, you can't get access to the athletes. And in our events, we do. If they come down there, they're going to be accessible to you all day. So that's $5 for 6 hours worth of entertainment. 11 to 5 is going to be the boxing trade show. And then in the evening time, same location, the Hansa House, May 7th, same day, 6650 Hurontario Street in Mississauga, Ontario. We're going to have the first induction for the Ontario Boxing Hall of Fame, which is going to go from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. We just confirmed a couple days ago that we're actually going to have fights there as well, too. So there's going to be exciting amateur bouts that's going to take place during the Hall of Fame induction. And that's going to be from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So the tickets for the Hall of Fame induction, the individual table tickets are $60. If you purchase a table of 8, it's $400, which works out to $50 a ticket. It discounts each ticket by about $10. And then the general admission without a meal, if you're not sitting at a table, is $25. And you can still purchase food items from the actual hall there as well. And those tickets are going to be on sale probably in the next 2 days. So the tables are available to be sold right now. We've actually only got, I think, 4 tables left. And then you'll be able to get general admission tickets. There's only going to be, I think, 200 tickets for the general admission. So you can call, you can't reserve your tickets. You can call and purchase your tickets because there's not going to be any reservations. Reservations are only made with full payment. So you got lots of events. So just to recap, the Canadian Nationals are going on right now. So the 2016 Canadian Championships in Quebec. So if you have an opportunity, you could still head down there. They're going to be going until April the 2nd at the Hilton in Quebec. April 8th, 9th, and 10th, you've got the Golden Gloves run by Boxing by Sid. So Sid Vanderpool is going to be hosting the 2016 Golden Gloves, and that's going to be through the Ontario Boxing Association. So you can check them out on the OBA website or the Facebook page for the OBA. And then May the 7th, you've got a full day of boxing. You got the boxing trade show, 11 a.m. until 5 p.m., 6 hours of entertainment for $5. Get your tickets in advance. It's only $8 at the door, but why not buy it for $5 from someone in the boxing community? And those proceeds, of course, I always donate something back into the boxing community. I want to give back to the gyms and to the athletes. And then in the evening on May the 7th, we have the Ontario Boxing Hall of Fame induction. If you're interested in a table, get back to us soon. We've got 4 of them left. And we've got general admission tickets. Again, those are going to be a limited number. And once they're gone, they're gone. But if you have a ticket, you'll definitely be in. So we want to thank you for tuning in to another episode of the DO Boxing Show. Thanks for tuning in to episode number 99, close to 100. We're excited about that. And remember, you can ask us any question on boxing by sending us a tweet through Twitter at DOKPOSIO, or send us any questions or comments through email, ocposio@hotmail.com. And we thank you, and we'll see you on the next episode.